Right here I have the GOTRAX GKS kids scooter that's great for a child age 6 through 12. This thing is amazing. Stick around and let me tell you all about this. So right here we feature a really bright and vibrant blue GOTRAX electric scooter. This thing is so much fun for a child. This goes up to 7.5 miles an hour, so it's fast enough for a kid to have a great time but still keep them at a very safe speed. This has a 150 watt motor that is powered in the rear of the scooter wheel, so it's really easy for the child to operate and maneuver. When you charge this up, it's going to be about 6 hours and your child's going to be ready to go at a full charge. Usually I just plug this in before I go to bed and it'll be ready to go by morning. This has a really nice deck size on here, so it's going to fit the child's feet really well and be nice and sturdy. We also are featured grip tape on the base too, so it's going to really hold their feet in place. All you got to do to get going is just push the scooter with one foot. You get up to 1.5 miles an hour, hit the throttle, and this thing will start going. I love the grips on here. They're super grippy. They actually fit my hand as well, so it's going to fit a child's hand no problem. The thumb on the accelerator is very easy to press and it's in a very comfortable position as well. This is really easy to set up. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes to set this up. You plug a few connectors in, you screw a few bolts, and this thing is ready to go. Also, what I love about this is the motor will auto brake itself a little bit, and you do get a brake on the back. All you got to do is just step on it, and there's a little bit of a grip as well, and it'll stop the scooter. This scooter is also going to feature a really nice kickstand. As you can see, this is standing up on its own, so that's just really cool. Easy way to store the scooter, and it's just cool when they're not using it, so you don't have to set it on the ground and damage it. This scooter also has almost a 4-mile radius until you have to charge this again, so that's going to be a lot of riding time for your child to have a great time before you need to recharge it. That's definitely going to be a full couple days of fun before you got to plug it back in and recharge. This is also going to feature 6-inch tires, and they do have a little bit of traction and tread on them, so it's going to be really good for doing pavement, a little bit of gravel, maybe some light dirt as well. I also personally love how this scooter features all these reflective accents on the side, keeping your child safe on the road. If they're in a parking lot or riding in your neighborhood, cars can see them. And I especially love the bright colors. I always recommend a bright color scooter for a kid or a child just to make sure they're easily seen. And this scooter definitely does that. This scooter also holds up to 120 pounds, so it's going to be great for a child from ages 6 to 12. One thing to note is the handlebars are not adjustable, so it doesn't go up or down, but I do think it's at a perfect height where it's going to fit mainly everyone. This scooter is also pretty light, so you can just take this with you, throw it in the back of a car, and it's not going to take up much room. Very easy to move around. This scooter also does not fold down, so that's another thing to keep in mind, but I don't think that's a huge drawback because the GOTRAX brand is very reliable and known for making great scooters, and this is something that I would definitely trust. So at the end of the day, I give this a 10 out of 10. Add this to your Amazon cart today. This will make a great gift and definitely give your child a ton of smiles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.